Llandewi Velfrey. Llandewi Velfrey is a village and community of Pembrokeshire in West Wales. Historically it was in the Narberth Hundred. The village is in Lampeter Vale, 2 miles northeast of Narbeth along the A40. In 1831 it had a population of 710 people. The village is situated in a rich and fertile vale, watered by the River Tar, which separates the parish from that of Llangen in the county of Carmarthen. The lands are wholly enclosed and in a good state of cultivation, and the soil is eminently fertile. Landmarks: St. David's Church and related buildings. The church, dedicated to St. David, is remarkable for the simplicity of its architecture, and displays evident features of a very remote antiquity. An elegant mural tablet of white marble, to the memory of the late David Lewis, Esq. of Henckland and his youngest daughter, which were put up in the chancel by his widow c. 1830. There is a rectory and a vicarage in the Archdeaconry of Carmarthen and Diocese of St. David's. A schoolhouse was built at the expense of the parish in 1828. The church was rebuilt in 1757, but retains its archaic 16th-century two-bay arcade with Tudor arches. It was restored in 1861 and the tall western bellcote was added in 1891 by G.E. Halliday. The vicarage house was nearly rebuilt on an enlarged scale under the provisions of the Gilberts Act. Bethel Congregational Chapel. Bethel Congregational Chapel lies about 1 mile to the northeast. It is dated to 1849, with a porch dated to 1912. Country houses. Notable country houses associated with the area include Truern Mansion, Henckland and Class CRWN. Truern Mansion is a Grade II listed building located about 1.5 miles to the northeast of the village. It was built around 1824 and is 3 stories high, having a 5-bay frontage with a 3-bay Doric porch and a 9-bay rear elevation opposite a large pond. It was the residence of John Thomas Bainon in the 1830s. In 1906 it descended via the Prothero and Shaw families to Godfrey Evan Shaw Prothero Bainon, who was appointed High Sheriff of Carmarthenshire for 1907. It was still in the possession of the Prothero Bainon family in 1959. Henckland, demolished in 1957, was an Italianate stuccoed mansion about 1 mile to the west, built in 1854 for a John L.G. P. Louis, replacing an earlier house. Class CRWN, now in ruins, was also a notable house in the parish, a third of a mile to the south. It dates to the late 19th century, with castellated fake corner towers and little wings. The cowshed is heightened in red brick with little Diocletian windows. Parsillan. This public house is located along the A40 road. The Hidden Places of Wales says of it, Parc y Llaneln is a charming place that dates from the 16th century, and inside, many of this ancient building's original features can still be seen, including the fabulous beamed ceiling in the dining room.